Have you ever looked up at the night sky and tried to grasp just how vast the universe truly is? The stars we see are only the tiniest fraction of what's out there, and beyond them lie galaxies, colossal collections of stars, gas, and dark matter, some so enormous they challenge our understanding of space itself. Among these cosmic giants, a few stand out as the largest structures of their kind, dwarfing our own Milky Way in ways that are almost impossible to comprehend. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is already unimaginably huge. It stretches about 100,000 light-years from end to end, containing hundreds of billions of stars. Yet, compared to the true titans of the universe, it's nothing more than a modest speck. The largest galaxies we've discovered span millions of light-years, so vast that if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you longer than all of human history just to cross one. These galaxies didn't start out this big, they grew over billions of years through violent collisions, mergers, and the relentless pull of gravity. One of the most famous examples is IC 1101, currently the largest known galaxy in the observable universe. Located over a billion light-years away in the constellation Virgo, this behemoth measures an astonishing 4 million light-years across, about 40 times wider than the Milky Way. At its core lies a supermassive black hole, one of the most massive ever detected, with a gravitational grip so strong it shapes the entire galaxy around it. But IC 1101 wasn't always this enormous. Astronomers believe it grew to its current size by consuming smaller galaxies over billions of years, a process that continues even now as it pulls in nearby stars and gas. Then there's Messier 87, another giant that gained fame when scientists captured the first ever image of a black hole at its center. And 87 is a supergiant elliptical galaxy sitting at the heart of the Virgo cluster, a massive gathering of galaxies bound together by gravity. Spanning nearly a million light-years, and 87 is surrounded by thousands of globular clusters, dense groups of ancient stars, and a jet of superheated plasma shooting out from its core at nearly the speed of light. Like IC 1101, and 87 grew to its immense size by absorbing smaller galaxies, a process that has left it with a smooth, featureless appearance, unlike the spiral arms of our Milky Way. But how do galaxies become this large? The answer lies in the chaotic, violent nature of the universe. When galaxies collide, their stars rarely crash into one another. Space is too vast for that. Instead, their mutual gravity pulls them together, distorting their shapes and eventually merging them into a single, larger galaxy. Over billions of years, the biggest galaxies sit at the centers of dense galaxy clusters, where they act like cosmic predators, pulling in smaller neighbors and growing with each merger. Some of these giants have absorbed hundreds of other galaxies, their immense gravity leaving no chance for escape. Dark matter also plays a crucial role in shaping these cosmic behemoths. Though invisible and undetectable except through its gravitational effects, dark matter forms vast halos around galaxies, acting like an unseen scaffold that holds them together. The largest galaxies sit in the centers of the most massive dark matter halos, weighing as much as 100 trillion suns. Without this mysterious substance, these galaxies would fly apart, their stars scattering into the void. The universe is still full of surprises, and astronomers continue to discover even larger galaxies as telescopes become more advanced. Some of these giants are so distant that their light has traveled for most of the universe's history, giving us a glimpse into the past. With every new observation, we learn more about how these colossal structures form and evolve, yet many questions remain unanswered. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember that beyond them lie galaxies of unimaginable scale, each with its own story of growth, destruction, and cosmic dominance. They remind us just how small we are in the grand scheme of things and just how much there still is to explore.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.